How's it guys? I'm from Slip No More. My name is Reinhard and today we're going to talk about social distancing tape. So this is the tape that you get in your retail shops like hardware shops, grocery stores, petrol stations. We have to set it out 1.5 meters apart for this whole Covid-19 epidemic that we've got at this moment. So today I'm going to do the red tape for you. So what it basically is, it's a 48 millimeter tape, comes in a 33 meter roll, and that's what you stick on your areas where people walk, like at till points, all of that, just to keep your distance of 1.5 meters apart. So it's quite easy to apply. What you're going to need obviously is your gloves. You're going to need the tape, you're going to need a mohair roller, I'm going to show you for that, and you're going to need a Stanley knife blade as well to cut out on your grout lines. First step is to make sure that your floor is nice and clean, so there's no loose particles. Then you can take a solvent, which I've got here. I've got a polyurethane thinner that we make, that I'm just going to put on a cloth and I'm going to wipe it on the floor, and that will take away any unnecessary dirt or grime that's left on the floor. Go, take it, wipe it on. Since it's a thinness, it's got a quick flash point, so what that means is it will evaporate quite quick once it's on the floor, so you don't have to wait a long time to dry off the floor. Okay, so after you've done that, just take your tape and you peel 100 millimeters at a time, because you don't want to take too much tape, where if you stick it on, it's going to wrinkle and all of that. Okay, so what you do is you just take your tape, put pressure as you apply it, like that. And then once you've reached the length that you want to do, just take your Stanley knife and you cut it off, like that. So next step is to take your roller, your mohair roller. So you just take the roller and you firmly press onto the tape, rolling it up and down so that you know you stick it on, that there's no air bubbles underneath it. Okay, so once that is done, take your Stanley blade again, you cut out on your grout line, which is normally a 3 to a 5 mil cut that you're going to do. Cut it out on your grout lines. The reason why we say you must cut out your grout lines is that when you wash the floor, that no water can go underneath and it will cause your tape to lift up. That's it, thank you guys. So this is the social distancing tape. You can get all the info on our website. Thank you.